This video will introduce Program Advance. Now, Program Advance is a feature for residential thermostats only. If you are running this in a HMO or Airbnb or similar, you do not want Program Advance enabled. So just set this to disabled, which you can find under Settings. Make sure it's set to disabled. Now, if you are a residential customer and you want to use Program Advance, then again, set this to enabled. Once it's enabled, it will appear on the Home tab here. Now, Program Advance can only be used when the heating is following your schedules, which is auto. On some of the older thermostats, it might be P1. Now, what Program Advance does is it will jump to the next heating schedule. So let's go on to the schedules and we will see in a bit more detail. So here is a example setup from midnight to 6 a.m. it's at 15 degrees, and from 6 a.m. till 8:30 it is at 20 degrees. So what Program Advance does is it jumps to the next heating point. So if, for example, we are here in the timeline, so roughly about 5 a.m., and you press Program Advance, then it'll activate this one will start earlier. So this one will start at the time when you activate it, so 5 p.m. for example, you press Program Advance, the heating was targeting 15 degrees, it will now target 20 degrees. And it will only happen this one time, and then all future times, it will just follow your schedules as normal. And it also, of course, works in reverse. So if, for example, this one here, which comes on 6 till 8:30, let's say you leave for work at 8 and you want to turn the heating off, but you also want it to come on in the afternoon, you would just hit Program Advance at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock it would then drop to this temperature, so 17 degrees, which you would then follow until 5 o'clock and then carry on a normal heating schedule and jump up to 22 degrees at 5 o'clock. And that's Program Advance. So as I said, it's only a feature for residential customers.